Hi, good morning, guys. So today's lesson for reading, we are going to be doing life skills. So we are going to be doing grocery stores, and that would be from page 26 to 33. So let's go ahead and get started. So we have here grocery stores. So grocery stores are an important part of the community. People shop in them for food to take home. So when you go to a grocery store, you go get food. Okay, so next we have, when we go to the grocery store, we make a grocery list before you go shopping. The list you should include all the items you need to buy. Use a shopping cart or a basket when shopping. So these are your shopping carts or these are your baskets. Many of you use them. Also, we have your shopping carts that help you move around and put your groceries in, like when you go to H-E-B or you go to Walmart. So here, grocery stores have products on shelves on both sides of the aisle. So this is your aisle, and these are your both sides. So there's food on both sides. Walk down the aisles to look for items on your grocery list. So you walk down the aisle, you look at your list, you find your groceries that you need. When you find items you are looking for, you put them in your cart or in your basket. So once you find the item, you put it in your cart. Some products are found in special cartons. The dairy section has products like milk, cheese, and butter. So these would be your dairy. This is your dairy section. The meat department has products like pork, beef, chicken, and turkey. So this would be your meat section, your meat department. Some products are kept in frozen food section. The big freezers keep food cold so it doesn't spoil. So these are your big freezers. Fresh fruits and vegetables are found in the produce section. So right here, this is where you will find your bananas, your oranges, your grapes, your apples, broccoli, peppers. All this you will find in the produce section. When you are done, take your basket to the front or the cart to the checkout line. The clerk will scan the products you selected and tell you how much you owe. So these are your clerks. They're the ones that are charging you and tell you how much you're going to pay for everything you got. Most stores put your groceries in bags so they are easy to take home. Some people pay for their groceries with cash. Others write checks or use their credit cards. Grocery stores are important because they sell food we eat every day. So now let's go ahead and answer the questions. So you will write your name and the date. So your name and then today's date, April 2nd, 2020. You are going to circle the answer. So for number 1, the dairy section of a grocery store has A, pork, beef, and chicken, B, fruits and vegetables, or C, milk, cheese, and butter. Answer your question. You can write it on a piece of paper or in your notebook and keep it in a binder, guys. So number 2, the produce section of a grocery store has A, frozen foods, B, fruits and vegetables, or C, milk, cheese, and butter. Answer the question. Number 3, directions. Write the word to complete the sentence. Freezers keep food blank. Answer the question. challenge question. It says, make a list of 3 things you can buy at a grocery store. So write 3 things that you can buy at a grocery store. Food, fruit, vegetables, milk, eggs, juice, meat. Then on number 5, I want you to name 2 ways you can pay at a grocery store. Remember, we reviewed that. Is it by check? Or is it by check, credit card, or cash? Write one of those 2. Once you are done, make sure you save your work and you take a picture and you send it to me so that I can put it in my Teams channel and you can get recognized. So that is it for reading. It's life skills. And go ahead and complete this assignment. Take your time. And let me know if you have any questions. I'll be available from 8 a.m. to about 3:30 p.m.